But this water temperature sensor is so new. It must have just been replaced. It shouldn't be its problem. I also know a car part. Come here. That's it. The intake air temperature sensor. I suspect it's broken. Let's take it apart and take a look. The method of disassembly is very simple. First, lift up the resonant box. Then disconnect this connector. It's this intake air temperature sensor. We disconnect it. Okay, next, you can take it off. Okay, the cause of the problem was found. There's so much sludge on it. No wonder it can't be started at night. Next, let's clean it. Find a bottle of detergent. We started cleaning it. Look, so dirty.